Hi there, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. Hey, we're going to do one of my favorite songs. It's from Bruce Springsteen's Born to Run album. It's a lesser known song, but it's absolutely a beautiful song called Meeting Across the River. It sounds something like this. That's basically how the song goes. I think there's maybe 3 or 4 parts. I'll do them as quickly as we can. Always, as you know, go back, rewind, and actually in YouTube, there's a way to slow things down. So there's a slow down feature. Go into settings of each video and you can see you can slow down. So if you're seeing a fast part, you can actually slow it down and see what I'm doing. Any questions, always write me on, the comments. Thanks so much. But here we go. Part 1 is the intro where the trumpet plays. It's 3 things. It starts on an F sharp. Really simply, left hand is playing octave F sharps, and you're playing 3 notes up 3 octaves. It's F, F sharp, G sharp. And it starts like this. Second one is F, G, C. So that's with an F bass and F, G, C, F, G, C, F, G, C. Third one is on an E flat, which is A flat, B flat, E flat, A flat, B flat, E flat. All 3 like this. Okay, that's part 1. Part 2, which is the majority of the song, is this. Alright, so what it does is octave E flats, or even down here if you want to get more dramatic. So you hit bum, and at the same time you're going to go. Watch. So it's ba, which is B flat, E flat, F, and B flat, E. And the 2 notes that are iconic are this B flat, D, like this. Okay, the next one goes down to a C sharp or D flat. It changes these 2 notes. So you go. Now it changes to the C sharp. Same thing on the right hand. Now you change to A flat and C. 2 of them, watch. Change. Okay, rewind that, go back as you need. I'll do it as slow as I can one more time. Okay, that's, hey Eddie, can you lend me $5? Tonight can you leave us a ride? Okay, and then he goes, we gotta make it through the tunnel, got a meeting with the man, gotta make it through the tunnel, got a meeting with the man on the right, so that goes to this. Okay, so it comes out of, gotta make it through the tunnel, got a meeting with the man on the other side. So really all it is there is F to a B flat inverted. You're playing a B flat chord, B flat left hand bass with okay, and then he goes, well, hey Eddie, when he's the real thing. Hey Eddie. What that is it's actually an A flat suspended. Look at an A flat. A flat suspended is this. But it's inverted, so they took the E flat and they put it down here. So it looks like it's almost like Pinball Wizard. Okay, so it's now it's going to go to an F sharp suspended inverted. Watch again. You can't see it when I play, but it's now the third one. So it's da 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 da, and then it repeats it. And then to a D flat. Whole part. Okay, those are those parts. Final part before it goes back into the verse again, it does this. It's very similar to the verse. It goes, but now it goes to an F sharp. Then to an A flat. And then back to the intro. So let me show you that one. That's the one that comes out of the chorus. So it goes like the intro. Now this time it goes to an F sharp. See it? Two of each. To an A flat. And then back to the hey Eddie. All right, I'll play that one by itself. Here we go. And now back in. All right, I'm going to do one of each all the way through now. And again, rewind as you need. Any questions or comments, please write me. Here we go. Here's all of them together. And I'm going to do short little versions of each. Oh, let's start with this. to the next part. Next part. Last part. All right, that's it. It's a complicated song, but it's a beautiful song. Please go back and rewind and listen to it, listen to the song, and get the whole vibe. Thanks again for watching. As always, thank you for supporting New School Piano. Really appreciate all the subscribers and the viewers. Thanks again. Have a great day and continue to watch New School Piano. Thanks.